In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your time zone in TradingView so your charts always reflect your local time and your sessions, candles, and order timings line up perfectly. Whether you're day trading, swing trading, or analyzing global markets, having the wrong time zone can throw everything off. So this is a setting you want to get right. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. Start by opening TradingView and making sure you're logged into your account. Once your chart is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents your chart settings. Click on that to open the settings panel. If you're having trouble locating it, here's another way. Right-click anywhere on your chart, and in the menu that appears, select Settings. This brings you to the same place. Once the settings window is open, make sure you're in the Symbol tab. This is where TradingView stores data display options. Scroll down until you reach the section called Data Modification. Inside that section, you'll see an option labeled Time Zone. Click on the drop-down menu next to Time Zone, and you'll see a full list of global time zones. Choose the one that matches your location or matches the market session you want your TradingView chart to follow. Selecting the correct time zone ensures your candles, session breaks, indicators, and price movements all reflect the right time. Once you've chosen your time zone, don't forget to click Save at the bottom. This locks in your changes and applies the new time zone immediately. Now you can close the settings window and continue analyzing your chart with accurate timing. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how clearly you interpret market structure and price action. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.